The multi-jurisdictional practice is a specialist department of the firm operating for clients who bring a case with an international dynamic. We have a team of lawyers who really know their stuff. They are true specialists in this work. In my view, they're amongst the best in the world. We also have linguists. We have fluency in about 12 languages. We also have contractual access to non-legal professionals such as mental health specialists, economists, investigators, anybody we need to be able to bring justice to a client. Our modern world has created an international marketplace, and migration is a key component, but there's a darker side to that. And that darker side includes trafficking, modern-day slavery, and sexual violence. That's the field that we operate in daily in the multi-jurisdictional practice. This is a global problem. We can't constrain ourselves to one part of the world. We have to think further afield than that. So we operate from a hub in the UK, and we'll go wherever we have to find justice for a client. Perhaps a good example of that is Romania, where we've had excellent success in recent years in historical child abuse cases, bringing justice to people who today are adults but who yesterday were street kids, people who had lived homelessly on the streets of Bucharest. They were preyed upon, many of them, by paedophiles. But if I think more broadly than Romania, then I think of international cases. There's a case of a Chinese woman who is raped in America by somebody she regards as her divine leader of her faith. A Czech woman working in a food factory in southern England who is sexually harassed while she's doing her job. And I can think of a paedophile ring running out of a boarding school in Ireland, and that case has tentacles that take it to Pennsylvania and Louisiana in the United States. So the case list goes on, and it's growing every day. What brings these cases together is that the defendant will have a link back to the United Kingdom or the United States. They're probably part of a larger group, an entity. Perhaps it's a company, a university, a church, or even a sports club. Something that brings them together and has allowed them to have facility to be able to commit the abuse or to commit the discrimination. That's the justice-serving world of McAllister Olivarius.